This video will show you how to install the battery-operated feitelectric smart video doorbell. Start by charging your doorbell for 6 to 8 hours. Then, pair your doorbell to the feitelectric app. Mark the position of the doorbell using the mounting plate as a guide. Drill holes on those marks. Then, insert the anchors into the holes. Attach the mounting plate to the wall with the provided screws. Remove the batteries from the doorbell and insert the micro SD card. Replace the batteries and the cover. Place the doorbell inside the mounting plate and secure it with the provided screws. Pair your doorbell to the chime by holding the volume button until the light blinks blue. Then, press the button on the doorbell and listen for the chime. Press the other button to cycle through the different doorbell chimes.